got witness right here. I'll take you down. Oh yeah, that's how it is. No, you don't do that.
That's a good trade-off.
I'm doing it, food.
You did a good job. You're welcome.
You won the race.
Did she say call me?
Yeah.
Do you?
Remain quiet and secret at all times.
Not your favorite ride?
Yeah, it was okay. Cool atmosphere.
Yeah.
I liked how some of the stuff was made. I didn't really understand how the ghosts were put there. That was really cool.
Oh, I know. I don't either. Yeah, how they ended up in your cart.
No, that I get that.
When they were dancing down there,
Yeah.
I'm talking about the ghosts that were dancing. That was kind of.
Oh,
and they were
okay.
at the dinner table.
Yeah.
I was like, it's her birthday. Happy birthday.
That wasn't even scary. Maddie
It's
screamed
not.
though.
It's not really supposed to be.
Maddie screamed.
She did.
Yeah, because I screamed.
That's funny.
We came around the corner. I just went, ah! And she goes, shoot.
Too funny. You having a good time? Are you? You ready to go home? Not yet.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 5 more days.
5 days. I don't know. There's a dragon though. I don't know what that's from. It is.
Oh, there's another one. Look, that one doesn't even have a tail.
3 of them.
There's not a tail on that one.
I know, it's because you lost it. Somebody tried to catch it. What happened?
Because I thought I was walking by this guy and I thought it was Seth, but I looked and it was not.
Wait, we were trying to find them?
No. Bracket like the yesterday.
What?
No, it was today.
Oh, it's today? Oh.
I think we got to get a drink or something and then everyone just left. I was like, I don't know where they are.
The last one, they had to split us up because there was too many. So Lydia and I had to ride a separate canoe, and we had to ride up front. I didn't have like any expression the whole time. I didn't even say, oh shoot, like I normally do. We did it, and then Lydia screaming every single one. We got this little one, which is just a little dip, and I went, ah!
So have you ever seen like those things where they top off those plants or whatever and they use them on their face, they're all slimy?
Aloe?
Yeah, is that that?
Yeah, that's that.
I just took some good.
Speeding funeral is $10. We drop on saying fire in the hall.
There it goes.
Move when the train comes around.
Go!
Comes around.
Do it.
Do it.
Fair name. Today. So we want to do this? Today. In the schoolyard. We want to do this? Right now. Yeah. Sure? Anytime, any place. Sure? Oh yeah. 100%? 98%.
Good enough.
Yeah. Let's go.
Did you not see the rules when we got
This little man right
We
here.
ain't fighting here. I'll fight later.
Yeah, I saw the rules. We're not whistling.
We're not whistling.
Look out there.
We got witness right here. I'll take you down. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh yeah, that's how it is. No, you don't think that. I'll take you to Times Square. Right in the middle of Times Square. What's up? What's up? Right here. What's up? Yeah, right here.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Hands gotta go up. Hands gotta go up.
Hands up, boys.
I can't. Hold his fist.
Yeah. You gotta put one up. Oh, snap. Oh, snap.
Oh my goodness.
My back. Are you serious?
Oh, disappointment.
Okay, all right. Oh, step it. Oh, hang on, step it. Oh, snap. Oh, we're going down.
No, they're not real cactuses.
Hi. Hi. Trap 2019.
Smile.
Yep. At an angle. There we go. Right here. Yep. There you go. So we can see you. There you go. There we go.
Congratulations.
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 All right, guys, hands up. Yay! You did it. You did it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Every time I buy an ice cream, she bites the ear off. Can I have it back now?
Yep. Thank you.
Is it good?
But you didn't buy it.
I know. Lexi did.
That's just,
Disgraceful.
I'm gonna cry.
I feel like crying for you.
This is the best ice cream in the world. And it, on the ground and melted.
So did it Seriously, did it explode or
It, like,
did it just?
It was like perfect, like it was perfect, except for where it was at the stick, because I knew something was weird. So when I opened it, I could see the ice cream. So I thought, okay, maybe just part of the chocolate's broken off. I pulled it out, and it just fell.
Oh my goodness, this is terrible. Terrible.
That's not gonna break off.
No. All right. Sad news. That's the worst news I've heard all day. Absolutely the worst. I got it. All right. Now go.
Oh, I touched him.
That was close.
I touched him.
That was close.
Now, mates, that's what you see right there. Those little buggers are run soon as you look at it.
The most venomous lizards in the world.
Listen, mate, if it was...
I'm dead.
So where we at?
I was right here. Yeah, I seen this dangerous creature climbing up the pole. And I thought to myself, well, I gotta have one of those in my collection, mate. Yeah. Because, I mean, I could tell one of my mates down at the didgeridoo how much those things weigh.
The didgeridoo?
Yeah, mate. Listen, it's not just an instrument. It's my favorite bar. Right.
Oh, a bar.
No.
You're 18.
Bar. It's different. All right, mate. So I reach for it. And it does a little two-tap, and it's gone.
Two-tap.
It's out of there.
Two-tap, huh?
Sad.
What color was it?
It's sad.
Sad.
It was a bright brown.
Bright brown.